looking back at the strongest gusts of wind over a variety of towns, cities and hilltops, you can see gusts of wind at 50, 60, 70, even nearly 90 miles per hour. Those extreme values have mainly been up over the hilltops. We'll have a bit of a breather tonight. The strong winds there being in a core just ahead of this weather front. As that moves away, a bit of a breather, but watch out because this low pressure centre looks like it will really get its act together, swinging towards us, bringing some stormy weather in time for Tuesday as it gets close by. Overnight tonight though, the wetter weather with those gusty winds beginning to be restricted later in the night across these more southeastern areas with fairly clear skies following on behind. Some clear spells, but a few wintry showers rattling across the far north of Scotland there. Where the skies do tend to become a little bit clearer, well, the temperatures will get down close to freezing, so perhaps a few icy patches to watch out for first thing in the morning. It'll be a bright but a rather cold start in many regions, still that cloud hanging around in the southeast and gathering out in the Atlantic too. The brightness won't last too long. The stormy weather sweeping up into the southwest in the morning and right across most of the country by the middle to latter part of the afternoon. It'll be wet and it'll be windy in most areas by the end of the day. The winds really will become quite noticeable. Gales in many areas, southeasterly gales for most of us, out across these western regions, severe gales bringing quite a buffeting and driving in the heavy rain. Heavy rain for many western areas, perhaps a little bit more patchy, not quite so heavy for as long across the eastern regions, and it won't arrive in the far north of Scotland until much later on in the day. The wind is going to make it feel quite cold, much as it did today, but despite that, the temperatures on the thermometer will register around 9 or 10 across England and Wales, just that little bit lower in the north, so here the temperatures will rise well on into the evening. The low pressure area moves away up towards Iceland on Wednesday. The weather front clears away, taking its cloud and rain away from the southeast into the afternoon. The winds will gradually ease during the day. It'll be a sunshine and shower type day with wintry showers from North Wales and the Pennines northway today.